Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to start ugu or the fluted pumpkin seeds indoors using the double cup method. So here is my setup for starting the seeds, and these are the cups that I'm going to be using. We have these ones here with holes at the bottom, and guys, feel free to recycle these cups. Okay, as you can see, these are not clean because it had something else in them recycling. So you're gonna need a set of cups with holes at the bottom. You can put the holes at the bottom. And then we're gonna need another set of cups, preferably transparent cups. And I will explain why you need the cups transparent in a moment. Over here, I have my potting mix, potting soil mix. This is not seed starting mix, it's potting mix. That's what you need for the ugu. And then maybe a marker to label with the date, and then some water. So what I'm gonna do first is fill up my cups about, 2/3 of the way with the potting mix soil. So all filled up 2/3 of the way. Now I'm gonna grab my fluted pumpkin seeds. I have 4 of them. And then if you did not know, the fluted pumpkin seed has an orientation. You see this pointy tip, you see this flat base, the roots come out of the tip and the shoots come out of here. So you want to plant it with the tip facing down to facilitate germination. Now, if you invert it, eventually it's going to germinate, but you can see how it's going to struggle because the shoots are going to try to go up and the roots is going to try to go down. So pointy tip down. If you cannot remember, lay it flat. But because we can see the pointy tip, we're going to put it down here in the container with that tip facing down, just like so. All 4 of them facing down. Then now I'm going to cover the cup all the way to the top now with my potting mix soil, just like so. The rest of the 1/3, just like so. And just like so. Okay. The next step, which is probably what I should have done first, would have been to label with what I have in there and know what it is. I'm just going to put the date because I like to remember. So today is the 9th of June. So we want to label the cup that holds the seeds. Okay. All labeled. Okay, so this is what we're going to do next. These other cups, like I said, don't have any holes. We're going to take this one and nest in here. This is the double cup method, okay? So what happens is when you put water in here, it's going to collect at the bottom if there's any excesses. So just like so. So when I water, the water is not going to stay in the cup and it's not going to mess anything up. It's going to collect at the bottom. So you can be able to monitor how much water your plants have. That way, it's a mess around here. It's just water. And I give it a good soak. Probably just gonna need to water once until it germinates. As you can see, the excess water is dripping, just like that. Okay. The next step, we're gonna be using this other cup as a dome, just like so that this whole thing stays humid and our seeds can germinate fast. This one fits perfectly. I don't need to do anything else. See, I don't need to do anything else. But if your cup doesn't fit like that, you can use a tape and tape it down. but I'm gonna leave it just like this because it fits perfectly. Again, feel free to use a tape to hold it down, but this works perfect for me. Just like so. Just like so. And then I'm gonna set this on a windowsill and wait for it to germinate.